welcome to Shanthini's Cooking. Today we're going to make a very special dish from Kerala, which is pradhaman. Come on, let's see how to make it. To make pradhaman, you will need adai 1/2 cup, jaggery 1 cup, ghee 2 teaspoon, cardamom powder 1 teaspoon, water, roasted cashews, roasted raisins, roasted coconuts, and coconut milk. Add 1 cup of adai into the hot water. Heat a pan. Add 2 teaspoons of ghee. Add the chopped cashews into the pan. Fry it. Now add the chopped coconuts and fry them. Drain the adai from the water. Take a container. Add 1 cup of jaggery. Mix it well until it comes to a liquid. Filter the jaggery water in a kadai. Add the adai into the kadai. Mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Add 2 cups of coconut milk. Mix it well. Add the fried nuts. Mix it well. Let it boil. Your delicious pradhaman is ready now. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share, and click on the bell icon for more videos.